1. King Plumbing Heating and AC in Tempe, Arizona brings you the launch of their router plumbing services. 2. With the expertise of over 23 years of experience, King Plumbing Heating and AC brings you the launch of their specialty router plumbing services. 3. Router plumbing services professionally handle blocked or clogged drains. 4. The router services brought to you by King Plumbing Heating and AC include modern methods such as hydro-jetting and video camera inspection. 5. A router problem occurs when tree roots get entangled and begin to infest drain pipes. 6. The video inspection used by King Plumbing Heating and AC allow them to see the exact nature of the problem and also its location. 7. Contact us at http://www.kingfact.com/